I'm Hannah Steeves Carney with Rebecca Steeves Realty. Welcome to 9 Whitebirch Lane, an adorable 3-level split in a desirable neighborhood. Come on inside this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. The main level has a living room with a beautiful bay window, a dining room with patio doors leading to the spacious backyard, and the kitchen leads to the mudroom and the attached garage. Upstairs, we have the main bath with a double vanity, 2 bedrooms, and the master with its own ensuite and walk-in closet. The lower level has a family room, another bedroom, and a half bath with laundry. Thanks for watching. For more information on 9 Whitebirch Lane, visit FrederictonHomes.com.